Mike here again. Today I'm going to show you how to make sloe gin. If you've never tried this before, you're in for a real treat. Anyway, here goes. I'm going to give you all the instructions, and this should all be ready for you for Christmas. The first thing to do is to pick some sloes. These come from the blackthorn bush. They're readily available throughout the autumn in hedgerows, etc. You need to pick about £1 to make a litre of sloe gin. First thing I'm going to do is to measure out £1 of the sloes that I've picked. So I'll stick these into a weighing scale. You will need a jar of some kind to store these in. I'm using a Kilner jar. It's something anyway that you can just seal the top with. We've got to get the juice out of all these sloes, and what I'm doing here is pricking each one. But a good tip is to stick them in the freezer overnight. If you stick them in the freezer overnight, they become a lot softer and the skins tend to burst. I could probably just get away with putting them in the freezer and putting them straight in, but I like to pierce them as well, just to get the most juice out of them, just to get the best taste. As you can see, I don't like to waste a drop of this. The next thing to do is to pour in the sugar, half a pound of sugar to the 1 pound of plums. I'm using granulated sugar. Caster sugar would be better because it would just dissolve quicker, but granulated is fine. And there we add in the 1 litre of gin. I've got a 1.5 litre Kilner jar, and I find that the 1.5 litre Kilner jar with a litre of gin, a pound of berries and half a pound of sugar, it just about fills it to the top. The sugar is going to take a few days to dissolve. So what I tend to do first of all is to give the bottle a really good shake to get the sugar distributed between the berries. And what you'll need to do is to really turn this jar over every day for a few days until the sugar is completely dissolved. And then all you need to do then is to put this away into a dark cupboard, leave it for 3 months, and in 3 months' time we've got some gorgeous sloe gin nectar. Beautiful. You'll need to sieve this through a muslin cloth to get rid of all the berries and all the rubbish out of it. Here you can see just after 1 day the gin has already started to absorb the juice from the berries.